friend, today's my presentation topic is English languages for specific purpose in paper number 12, English language teaching 1. Introduction. According to Roberts Henry Robbins, that languages is a system of conventions, spoken, manual or written symbol by means of which human being as member of a social group and participant in its culture express themselves. The function of languages including communication, the expression of identity, play, imaginative expression and emotional release. So that languages play whooping role into link each other, but if we don't know all languages, show that face many problem into communication through languages. Nowadays many debate and talk show happening on what is important for native languages or foreign languages. Sometimes people give different type of metaphor of the languages. So here I want to share some views about ESP, which non-English languages for specific purpose with difference as a second languages. Importance of English languages. It is most commonly spoken languages in the world. It is the languages of international business. Most movie are in English. It is easy to learn. It's help you understand other languages. English based asset. It is flexibility. It can be used around the world. It is the language of the internet. It's continue to change. About ESP. ESP means that English for specific purpose. It means that English language is learning for some kind of certain subject or professions. I want to say that someone is going Africa for teaching business English. There are student maybe can't communicate in African languages, but through African languages or native languages, English for specific purpose has stream of working for increasing English languages. There are English languages become as a bridge of two communicator which working with proper rule discipline. Show this method make communication specific. As a result of this method, I want to say that here this method focuses on how to communicate and learning it. English for specific purpose had emerged because of numerous unified trends based on notably three main reasons that have been identified in the emergence of ESP. The demand of brave new world, revolution in linguistics, focus on the learner. English for specific purpose has a subset of English as a second languages or foreign languages. Normally, it is referred to teaching the English languages to university student or people already in employ with reference to the particular vocabulary and skill they need. Characteristic of ESP. ESP communicate in Japan. Dudley Ivan given following characteristic: specific needs of learner. Normally, ESP focus on increase of learners, so that how help English for specific purpose. It is more important here. ESP pay attention or of learners' curiosity for knowing and fulfill their ambition specific way. Use of the underlying methodology. English for specific purpose used to underline methodology and use specific tools and activity to empowering of the learner. There was specifically work on basic skill also. Use of underlying often remembering and highlighting show that what attract to learn something new. Moreover, this method use various activity which create a specific discipline. ESP is centered to the languages. English for specific purpose method determine of languages and grammar also. There are use of various activity for that like as term of grammar, lectures, register, study, skill, discourse and genre. Design for specific discipline. English for specific purpose creates specific discipline for a learner because it not use general English grammar vocabulary but specific way use of all things. Specific teaching situation. ESP also create a new environment for learner because we study English languages as a general way. So we never get knowledge without basic but specific purpose also leads to learn to study some kind of different subject and languages also. Use of different type of methodology. We can't learn through traditional method like grammar transition method, but there are use of various methodology and technology also for create a live class or may bridge between them. There are use certain words languages and approaches for improving English languages. Here general English useful but few of that design for intermediate or advanced students. Sometimes ESP working like as to be designed for adult learners and tertiary level institutes or in a professional work situation. So that here English language is working specific way rather than common English languages. Difference between general English and ESP. According to Hutchinson's points of views that in theory nothing rather than in practice a great deal. When their book was written at that time, his last statement was quite true. During that time, the teacher of general English courses while acknowledged that students had a specific purpose for studying English, which would be general conduct to need of analysis to find out what was necessary to actually achieve it. Moreover, nowadays teachers are more aware about the importance of need of analysis, or certainly material writers think very carefully about the goals of learners at the stage of material production. Conclusion. The conventional linguistics sought to describe the future of languages, whereas the radical pioneer in English language put a focus on the way which languages is used in real communication. The other reason that leads to the original of ESP is focusing on the learner, which is in this case in the area of psychology. We could say that languages for specific purpose has developed out of the need provide specific courses for students who had to learn more as means to an end rather than for the sake of learning English in itself. Thank you.